Modern Living Room TV Cabinet Design, your ultimate guide to the 2025 TV wall unit. Hey there, design enthusiasts! If you're looking to revamp your modern living room, you've landed in the right place. The latest trends in TV cabinet design for this year are all about blending functionality with style, and we're ready to dive into some fantastic ideas that will transform your space. TV cabinet design trends. Gone are the days when TV units were bulky and clunky. The this year TV wall unit is all about sleek lines and contemporary furniture that seamlessly integrates into your living room. Think minimalistic designs that not only accommodate your TV, but also serve as a striking centerpiece. This year, we're seeing a rise in modular units that can be customized to fit your specific needs, making them perfect for any living room size. Stylish solutions for home interior design. When it comes to home interior design, a TV cabinet can do more than just hold your television. It's an opportunity to showcase your personal style. Consider incorporating open shelving to display your favorite books, plants, or decorative items. This not only enhances your living room decor, but also adds a layer of personality to your space. Plus, it's a great way to keep everything organized and tidy. Wall decorating ideas to elevate your space. Now let's talk about wall decorating ideas that go hand in hand with your new TV wall unit. Why not create a gallery wall around your TV? Use a mix of framed art, mirrors, and shelves to create an eye-catching display that draws the eye without overwhelming the room. You can also experiment with paint or wallpaper to create a stylish backdrop that complements your modern living room theme. Space-saving solutions for every living room. If you're working with limited space, don't fret. The This Year TV cabinet designs include plenty of space-saving solutions that make the most out of every inch. Look for units that offer hidden storage options or those that can be mounted directly to the wall. This not only frees up floor space but also creates a clean, open feel in your living room. Interior styling tips for a cohesive look. Finally, let's wrap it up with some interior styling tips. To ensure your living room decor feels cohesive, choose colors and materials that complement your TV cabinet design. Whether you prefer wood finishes, metal accents, or a mix of both, aim for a harmonious palette that ties everything together. Don't forget to add personal touches, like family photos or travel souvenirs, to make your space feel uniquely yours. In conclusion, the modern living room TV cabinet design for this year is all about blending style with functionality. With contemporary furniture, innovative wall decorating ideas, and smart space-saving solutions, you can create a stylish and organized living room that reflects your personality. So grab your favorite design magazines and get inspired. Your dream living room is just steps away.